Hello everyone! While we were exploring San Jose, Costa Rica, we happened to walk past the main fire station. Out of curiosity, we peeked through the openings into the building. Suddenly, a friendly firefighter came over and asked if we'd like to come inside. Within seconds, we were on a private tour of the entire fire station. It was incredible. We got to see all the interior spaces, including the living quarters, lounge areas, changing rooms, and even the toilets and showers. It was such an unexpected and amazing experience. About the Costa Rican Fire Department. In Costa Rica, the fire service is called Benemérito Cuerpo de Bomberos de Costa Rica. It's a professional national firefighting organization with a long tradition, established officially in 1865. The firefighters not only respond to fires, but also handle rescues, medical emergencies, hazardous materials incidents, and disaster response. The stations are well organized and often act as important community hubs. The firefighters are known for being very dedicated and incredibly friendly, as we experienced ourselves. If you ever visit Costa Rica, don't be surprised if the bomberos welcome you with open arms and show you around. It's a great way to learn about local life and the people who keep the community safe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure. Pura Vida.